let's do this. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I'm not a fan of that one. Quick change of plan, we are not heading to the beach, we're actually going to the water park. You heard that right, this adults only resort we're staying at has a water park. We've got the drone here as well, Max 2. Gonna head down the slides and see what we can catch. Last time we were here I kind of hurt my back a little bit, so I probably won't be going down too many times, but we'll give it a go. Alright, so drone is in the air. I'm going to get some aerial shots of the water park first of all, and then Max is going to have a go with the GoPro, and then I'll have a go with the GoPro. Let's see what we can see. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. A big surprise if this water park isn't maintained as regularly as maybe it should be. Of course, it is an adults only hotel after all. Still good fun anyway. Oh man, after 10 minutes already sweating buckets this morning. It is so hot out here in Punta Cana. Let's go get in the pool. Oh, that's better. Oh, plan for today? Not a lot. We are here in Punta Cana for just 2 more days, so you can imagine Max and I want to make the absolute most of our time here. I'd really like to take you all snorkeling. I've been snorkeling all week so far. The visibility for snorkeling here in Punta Cana hasn't been fantastic. As you've seen maybe in the last video, the waves here in Punta Cana are absolutely massive. Still a little bit rough, but I'm at the beach, as you can see. I'm gonna head over there to do some snorkeling. Of course, I would do it here, but those waves aren't pretty. Well, they're pretty to look at, but not pretty to snorkel in. Gonna head to the end of this beach because there's no waves there. I'll explain why when I get there, you'll understand, and let's see what fish we can see. It's like having this entire Caribbean beach all to myself. It's wonderful. However, see there is a bit of coral over here, and that is where I'm going to be heading with this and this, and we'll see what we can see. Just like the other day though, the water is so lovely and warm. Let's go get it. can see just how choppy it is, even all the way out here. And the sea is not clean at all. There's just seaweed and sand and all sorts. Really not very nice. It's warm, very, very warm. And you can tell just here, this is where the coral is, but the visibility just isn't great because of how choppy it is. I can't touch the bottom, I'm quite a way out. Not the Punta Cana I remember from 5 years ago. Much calmer, much clearer. It's just the way the world works. Back at the shore, I can feel the bottom, as you can see. I know the view is absolutely stunning, but don't be deceived. That sea isn't as clean as it looks. Such a shame. I've lost my key card as well for the room. There's no way I'm going to find that again. Man, that's so annoying. I don't know, would it sink? Would it stay? Where would it go? Oh, there's just no way I'm going to find that, is there? Absolutely no way. I should have just taken it out. But here we go. This is the coral here, as you can tell. That's where we just were. You can't even see it anymore. That used to be so clear. Losing the key card to my room was not what the doctor ordered. Didn't have that on the menu. It's frustrating because I literally took it out of my pocket, showed it to the camera, and then started making my way back to the shore to drop it by my bag. By the time I got to the shore, I realised I didn't have it anymore, which is so annoying, but just wanted to quickly show you this. It looks like we've got a bit of weather coming in. As you can see, that's quite a daunting looking cloud. Very nice sunny day over here, but you're looking this way, that is not a pretty sight. That being said though, given it is September, nearly October time, you'd think that we'd had a bit more bad weather since being out here in Punta Cana. We really haven't. Got to be honest with you now, this is the second time I've been to Punta Cana during hurricane season, and you'd never know. The weather here at the moment is fantastic. It's 32 degrees every single day with very, very little chance of rain. Statistically, of course, it's a very risky time to come, but with very little bad weather that I've had, I definitely think it's worth the risk.